Hey everyone, this is Kaikane Smith here. Today I'm going to talk about what How to Get Rich Teaching English is all about. So basically there are 52 chapters explaining the fundamentals and key points of specific topics that are necessary for you to know if you want to make it big and get rich teaching English abroad. Use them to your advantage and feel free to get in touch if needed. Besides offering the amazing secrets in this book, I also offer one-on-one consultation services via Skype and email if you require more in-depth advice, knowledge, and secrets on how to make it big and get rich teaching English abroad. Bookings and purchases can be made via my website and directly on my consultations page. So, How to Get Rich Teaching English is intended for all men and women of the world, native speakers only, regardless of race, ethnicity, or sexual preference, who have been dreaming about teaching English abroad and wanting to make it big in one of the coolest careers out there. Furthermore, you are free to choose and implement the secret tactics and guidelines contained in this book with the hopes of drastically improving your life for the better. Also, keep in mind that this book is geared towards mostly those individuals who want to make it big by teaching English abroad via private lessons, where the big money is at, rather than simply just teaching English overseas at an institution or language school, where your income will be quite limited and boring. Of course, you will not make it big just by teaching English at a boring language school, private school, university, or what have you abroad. However, you will make it big and make tons of money by scaling up your English language teaching abilities, by perfecting the opportunities that come with private lessons. The world is yours and the opportunities are endless. All you have to do is make it happen. My book has been intentionally written in its easiest form possible so that anyone can read it with ease and relaxation. As an expert author, English instructor, consultant, business professional, I know that most books in the world are written with no care at all and are simply boring. However, mine is not. So don't worry, guys and gals. By all means, feel free to drop me a line or a message on any feedback. I'm always open to constructive criticism. You can get the book and book any consultation services that you require on my website, getrichtteachingenglish.com. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll be making more videos for all of you soon. Peace out.